how you doing? Welcome back to another video, guys. We're gonna do another Temu wig install. Yes guys, welcome back. I thought I'd do a quick little video. I got a wig from Temu. I've got a few actually that I need to come on here and show you, but it's Sunday evening. It's nearly 7 o'clock, so I'm going to prepare myself for work tomorrow. So this wig came, and I'll tell you, I've looked at it already. It needed a little comb in the back. I sewed the comb in the back, and I got it ready. And this was from Temu. Come in a nice little purple bag like this, and all it says on the bags is Wigs 100% human hair. Alright, so let's have a look. So yeah guys, I wanted a nice fresh wig to put on for work this week, and it's been a little warm, so I didn't want nothing too long, although I did think that this was longer than it is. It's short. It says it's 12 inches, but it is nice guys. I've looked at it already, and it came with some mink eyelashes, yes, which was nice. It also came with wig cap, yeah, and here's the wig guys. It's a 12-inch wavy wig. There you have it. Look at that guys. Very nice, very soft, feels lovely. The front is like this. I think that's what they call 4x4. Okay, so we're just gonna color the front of this lace here. It came with a adjustable strap in the back, and you can take this out as well, so you can use it in other wigs if you need. And I told you that I did go in and sew a comb in the back. It didn't have one, and you can see it's kind of elastic around here. And guys, the last wig I had that kind of elastic around there, it was really comfortable, fit like a hat. So I really like this. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna color the net using my foundation, and we're going to put this on. Very soft, and you can see the way it's cut. Very nice hair. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah guys, I will pin it below. I got it from Temu. This is not a sponsored video. I did buy this, but I got it from Temu, and you can still use my code and go through and find it in the things I've bought and use my code to get your discount. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this on. pin this the best way I could, but I'm gonna let the lace bake a little bit. I'm gonna let the lace bake a little bit and then I'll come back. But you can see the wig. Wig is real nice, real soft, guys. Look, real soft. So we're just gonna let the front of the lace bake. It's getting dark now, so the light looks a bit yellow. I don't know if you can see, this is my YouTube light, but it's not giving the reflection. Yeah. I just switched off the light, guys, so you can see. It's a neon YouTube light. I don't know how I'm going to get it to give the right reflection. Yeah, it's my neon YouTube light. But when you switch it on, I've got no makeup on, guys. I was just coming. So this is the wig I'll be wearing for this week to work. It's light and airy. And I'll come back later and show you the end result. Alright. So there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. You know I'm still practicing how you do these side pieces. But yep, this is it. Ready for work. It's there. And I'm still going to put the band back on it, guys, and sleep with the band on it in the night. And look. Yeah, guys, so I'm very, very happy with this. Yep. From Temu. Yeah. I think it was £35. I will link it below. Very, very nice. Very soft. I sprayed a bit of conditioner water in there, or you can just use a bit of mousse. Yeah, and that's it, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll be back soon with another video. Yes. The diva is